What's up, gang? It's me, your boy, back at it again, live on nothing. We got. Say hi to the camera. Son of a. Logan fell.
The moment Andrew put a camera on me, I had my first slip.
I don't know if you can see them.
Welcome.
Hey, no, this is my video.
Welcome. This is my video.
This is my video.
How do I flip this around? Can I flip it around? Alright, this is my video.
This is my video.
This is my video.
This is my. Okay.
And then we would make out.
What? This is train tracks. There's a train over there. There's a train over there.
Amazing place to teach consumption and absorption.
I don't know what that means.
How we compact the ground and how that compacted ground absorbs water versus how uncompacted ground doesn't. Or
Is this
does.
pacted ground?
I'll get down there. Hold on, I'm super nervous right now.
Andrew put a camera on me, I had my first slip.
I don't know if you can see them.
Welcome.
Hey, no, this is my video.
Welcome. This is my video.
This is my video.
How do I flip this around? Can I flip it around? Alright, this is my video.
This is my video.
This is my video.
This is my... Okay.
And then we would make out. What?
This is train tracks. There's a train over there.
It's coming.
Amazing place to teach consumption and absorption.
I don't know what that means.
How we compact the ground and how that compacted ground absorbs water versus how uncompacted ground doesn't. Or does.
We're not doing anything illegal, I swear. This is not illegal. There was no signs that said trespassing, and there was nothing that said no trespassing. So we're not trespassing, duh. Ooh. Hey, you guys want to jump in the mud pit? We totally just climbed down this whole thing. There's a road up there.
We did it! Woo!
Andrew, scratch your butt. Pick your...
Notice how the Blair Witch starts?
How the what?
Going in the lights.
Nah. Yeah, it's the mud pit.
You should just go on live on YouTube or something.
Oh yeah, I could have.
Yeah.
This is the Andrew experience.
This is mini hideaway. Which way do we want to go?
One way goes towards the zoo, one way goes towards not the zoo. So probably this way for now.
We're in Oregon. That's the only hint I'm gonna give you about this spot. We're in Oregon. If you want to find it, then find it. Don't be a fucking pussy. Break the law. I mean, we're not breaking the law. There's no trespassing signs. I mean, there was no trespassing signs. That's what I meant to say.
I just made an album cover of you.
It was 14% zoomed in the whole time.
If you follow, you owe me $20. Oh.
These rails are so tiny and cute. They really are.
What are these made for? Like a little, the little kids train?
Yeah, the zoo train. It's only like a 2 foot 6 inch gauge. Standard gauge is like 4 foot 8 inches and a quarter.
Oh, we got a track change right here.
Oh, switch.
Will you pull the lever? Trolley problem.
Trolley problem.
Around it.
Does it work?
Yeah, it does.
Whoa.
Wait, do it again. Do it again.
Yeah, hold
There's a
on.
lock on both sides. Oh, Jesus, it spring loaded up and smacked my knuckles.
Watch. Do it again.
Do it again.
Guys,
What?
have you guys seen fried green tomatoes?
No.
Okay, in fried green tomatoes, they're walking along the tracks and a train comes, and the switcher comes and locks it
Oh.
in. Do it, but not too much.
I got it. I got it off the spring already. So.
He like gets stuck right here, and he can't get his foot up. And they're calling his name as the train just comes and he starts to. It's so bad.
I'm gonna put it back in where I found it.
No evidence except for fingerprints.
Well, then if they just because if they're rolling back here for a maintenance train, it's set up to go to the left, not the right. The right track is probably way more fucking loose.
What? No, it's just a bunch of bushes.
Well, yeah, it's a little closer to the edge though. The sediment underneath of it.
Wee. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Shakalaka-boom. They're fucking. They're having gay sex. They are having intercourse, as you can clearly see. This is what it looks like. They're finding their spot to do it.
This is what's called the frog, and they actually have a piece of
Andrew's preparing. Never mind. You backed out. You got scared.
That's the spot where you're worried about jumping tracks. Also, the solution to the trolley problem is you let the first truck go over, then pull it, get the thing sideways. It works every time.
Meow.
Sorry, engineers ruin philosophy.
I'm learning about train tracks.
Well, this is going right next, but it's like became covered. When did this become decommissioned?
A couple of years ago.
This is really fast. This is why these sticker bushes are invasive
You'll notice
species.
track will get this rust on it after not being used for just a little bit. The only reason they say shiny on that is the metal on metal.
Here it comes! The train!
I don't think you should gravel around it. This is going to be completely overran by freaking plants. Which is good. Reclaim the earth and all that. This is invasive species. Shouldn't be this. These bushes are ferns. Wish you brought like a single.
Holy crap, we found graffiti.
Probably.
Really?
Yeah, probably.
Oh my god.
What's it say, Andrew?
It says Allah Akbar.
There's a whole loose rail.
Put it in the car.
It's like 2.5 car length.
I don't have a free hand.
Oh my god.
I'll pick up. Oh, okay.
It's cast iron.
I gotta let that.
Or steel. Or whatever Logan said. I don't care.
Titanium. Mithril.
Tungsten?
Yo, obsidian. This is obsidian, right?
It's a rock. I don't know. It might be.
I interview a geologist. Is this obsidian? Either way, I want it. It looks too gray to be volcanic.
Yeah.
This is not native. This is invasive rock.
Wow, this is literally so beautiful.
Yeah.
No, I have. It looks a little gray.
Well, I call dibs, so it's mine.
Logan is having sex with nature.
Let's save the earth. Let's save the earth.
There should be a switch here. Like there's like the lever for the switch, but it seems this one got ripped apart. See? Oh shit. Damn, that's fucked. This one got named. It's stuck like in a half position. So the reason this track got closed is because shit like this, because trees and mudslides were constantly hitting it.
Walk next to Logan down the track. Her hands too. Make her go sappy.
It's a nice winter day. Now that's a shot.
You can stop loving each other.
You can stop. We know it's a bit. We know it's just a bit. You can stop now.
You know it's all for the thing. Just because we need someone to play bird tonight.
Oh shit, it's the freeway. Guys, it's the freeway. I'm afraid I might trip on one of the wood.
What is it? One lane subway surfers.
Doom, doom. Oh wait, no. Yeah, doom, 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 doom.
Somebody made a custom sticker for himself rather than raw tag.
Oh. We found you, Noah. I wonder if he's dead.
Doom, 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 doom,
Glory
doom.
hole! There's a hole! Glory hole!
Oh, okay.
Ooh, needle.
Don't fucking.
Oh shit, yeah, fuck.
Maybe don't touch that.
Holy shit.
Take a picture of it.
We could record that one.
Should we record it?
Yeah. It's actually very funny.
You see, we got lost, and then we found. Continuous video evidence.
This is a long video.
So just
This is a gauging bar. They'll add it when the wood starts to rot in certain areas and the tracks want to warp. It's supposed to reinforce. I imagine, yeah, that was to just reinforce this one. They probably at some point were going to redo all this. Also, look, there's the road right there. So
Uh-oh.
we could have had an easier way down.
But that wasn't fun.
That wasn't fun, yeah.
Dum 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 dum.
We could get caught at any moment.
Which makes it even if the road's right there, that means the homeless guy was like really fucking close.
Yes. That looked like it was there for a long time. So they're probably not here. Slug 405 skunted here 2025.
They skunted. I don't know what that
I don't
means.
know what that means either. I should take a picture and or look it up, but I'm not going to.
Andrew, you want to look up what skunted means?
I'm gonna look up what skunted means. What does skunted mean? It's not what it's pronounced. Skunted. That's right? In Australia. To be severely reprimanded, told off. To be caught engaging or participating in an activity deemed deplorable by a mature other. Often. So what we're doing.
Yeah. We're skunting.
We're skunting it. Well, we have
I'm
to be reprimanded for it, though.
Oh, yeah.
We're not being reprimanded. We're just breaking.
Motherfucker wrote, was like, oh no, I'm caught. Let me write, I was skunted right here.
As he's like being pressed in the bars. She's like, wait, give me a second.
Wait, I just want to write something.
I just need to write something
Okay.
down. Okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah, all right. Go right ahead. Look at these losers. Quit skunting. If you guys were wondering if Andrew has lice, Do I have lice? I don't know.
So just telling Dahlia it's a little odd sitting here on this whole track looking at the highway. It kind of feels like sitting in one time period looking at another.
I wonder if we could set up my phone to like take a shot.
I hurt you.
Oh, you totally could. Hold on.
Oh, it's safe.
Here, I'll throw my coat down though, and you can throw it on my jacket. I'm gonna take this coat off. I'm gonna throw it down so Andrew set his coat on the road. We're gonna get one while we're sitting on the road on our backs. When it's time to go.
I didn't know Elsa was here.
Thank you! Thank you! 5 big booms! Boom! 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 Falling! Boom! 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 I ran out of shit in them.
They're all dead.
They're all dead. I killed them.
And that's the end of the Experience Saga. Thank you for watching. Go away.
I'm out of money too.
Okay, yeah, I'm so broke.
These tracks lead to the mine where we put the bodies.
Oops. It's like the Bill Cipher chase. Go find
Go find the bodies.
Go find the bodies. Your prize.
Closure.
Your prize is closure.
Starting right here, there's a trailer.
Yeah, we were talking about, I didn't know Elsa was here.
Yeah.
Period. Amazing. Amazing.